What's up, guys? Good morning. I got a funny video for you guys. I'm actually in my wife's van, 2000 something Volkswagen Rutan, and the other day she got in it to go to work and complained about a foul odor. And today I went to the grocery store, and as soon as I turned on the heat, I about fell over. Most disgusting smell in the world. Smelled like a dead animal. So anyway, I popped the hood. I was like, oh, maybe something's underneath there. I don't know. And then I was like, well, let me check where the air filter is, the in-cabin air filter, which is in the glove compartment. So you just push on the sides of the glove compartment. Here, let me show you guys real quick. Side, and then there's one on that side. Squeeze it together, and then there is this cover somewhere. I don't even know where I put it. Oh, right here. This is the cover to the filter that goes in. Squeeze it, pull it out, and then, excuse the mess here, you pull out this filter, and the filter looked pretty clean except for those two red marks, brownish red. I was like, I don't know what that is, so I took a smell. Definitely the worst smell I've ever smelled in my life. And what do I find? Let me see if you guys can see this. Let me turn on my phone flashlight. Alright. There is some kind of furry friend in our airbox, our in-cabin air filter. And by the smell of it and the non-movement, we're going to go ahead and guess that he's dead. And now we're going to try the extraction. Alright, so we are back, and I found these cheap little flimsy tongs out by the grill. I'm going to situate my phone. Oh, got some of him. Oh, man. Oh, that's disgusting. Alright. Oh, man. Oh, he's like in that crack. I don't know if you guys can see that. How in the world am I going to get him out? Oh, poor little guy. Wow. Okay. You know, I guess I could leave my phone sitting like right in here. But I really don't want my phone anywhere near this. And then later on, be by my head. So you can get in there. Come on. Oh, gross. Oh my God. This is filthy. Oh, I don't know why this is making me so squeamish. Oh, that's his booty. Oh, God, that's so gross. Oh my God. Ugh. Oh my gosh. Come on out, little guy. Oh. God, now the smell's getting really bad. Oh, I think we've opened him up. Jeez Louise. I don't know, like, did he scoot down there booty first? Or did he get his head in there and then he came and got trapped? Alright, I think that angle is going to be about the best I can get for you guys. And then me be able to still grab him. Oh! Oh God, I think he's starting to split apart. Alright, I got an idea. I'm going to put a screwdriver. Alright, I'm gonna use this screwdriver. I'm gonna wedge it. Okay. And then, oh, Mr. Whiskers, come on, dude. Oh my God, this stinks so bad. It smells awful. I'm not exaggerating. Oh God. Okay. Alright guys. He's almost out. I'm sorry this isn't the best angle. Oh, you're right. I think I got him all. Oh God! Oh, gross! Oh, that's. Jeez! Oh my God! That is disgusting. Oh, where are? Oh, I don't even know if I need to blur that out. That is bad, Mr. Whiskers. Oh, you smell awful. Yeah. Well. Alright. Anyway, if you ever have a raunchy smell in your car when you turn the heat on, well, my guess is to go to the cabin filter. And unfortunately, my guess is you're going to have to get you a nice pair of tongs. Alright, I'll see you next upload. Bye.